Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore how you can quickly find all your saved files on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've ever saved something on Telegram and later struggled to find it, don't worry. This simple process will save you time and keep everything just a few clicks away. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's fully launched, you'll notice the familiar layout with your chats listed on the left side. To find your saved files, we'll begin with the Saved Messages section. Head up to the search bar at the top of the app. Type in Saved Messages and press Enter. Telegram will immediately show you your personal chat, which works as your own private cloud storage. Click on it to open the chat window. This is the space where anything you forward, upload, or save is kept safe and accessible only to you. Now that you're inside the Saved Messages chat, look at the top of the window. You'll see the name of the chat displayed there. Click directly on Saved Messages to open the chat's details. This new update organizes everything neatly, and here's where the important step comes in. Inside the Details page, you'll see several tabs, including Media, Links, Voice Notes, and of course, Files. Go ahead and click on the Files tab, and this will instantly display every single file you've saved in Telegram. You can scroll through them, sort them, and open them directly without having to search one by one through the chat history. This method is incredibly useful if you regularly save documents, PDFs, or important attachments that you don't want to lose. Instead of endlessly scrolling, you have everything grouped clearly and ready whenever you need it. And that's it. The new update makes finding your saved files straightforward and hassle-free. Open Telegram, search for saved messages, enter the chat, click on the chat name, and go into Files. In just a few clicks, you have instant access to all your important items. With this quick guide, you'll never lose track of your saved files again, and using Telegram as your personal storage space will be easier than ever.